start. Okay. So today I want to take a particular point that you told me some of the students wanted to classify this point, that is in partnership balance sheet, partnership fund account. One particular point is left. Some students asked me to clarify this point. So let me clarify this point. See, see, this is profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account. Now, in case of this is profit and loss account, this is profit and loss account. All of you can see this? All of you can see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to take a particular point here, which will be beneficial to all of you. And some students even wanted that this point was not clear. Although I'm the company I'm doing, but here I'm doing something about the partnership fund account. One particular adjustment, some students get confused. So this is profit and loss account, trading account, and this is trading account. It gives you gross profit, and gross profit goes to profit and loss account. So this is profit and loss account for you, and roughly made. This is profit and loss account for you. Now the question is, there is an example adjustment always there. Manager's commission. Now manager's commission, whatever profit is there, out of that profit you shall pay some commission to the manager. So that commission may be calculated in two different ways. Some students sent me message to explain this point, so I'm taking that point now. So what is done, manager's commission is paid in two ways. Percentage is after charging such commission or before charging such commission. Suppose manager is going to get 10% commission. Now 10% of net profit. Fine. 10% of net profit. That's very good. But there's a question. 10% of net profit may be of two varieties. After charging and before charging. So after charging how to do and before charging how to do. Let me explain that point today. Hope you will be liking this point today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's discuss it.
Yes.
So what you have to do, you have given say gross profit and other items you should be giving here, whatever is given. And then you net profit you have to write here, but before net profit you write to, we shall write to managers commission. Commission. We shall write a manager's commission. Now, see, suppose it is given 10% before charging. If it is 10% before charging, then what you have to do, you write here 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100 you have to write, then into you shall write the net profit whatever comes here. Suppose here it is 51,000 net profit, you calculate. This will not remain. Let me put the net profit somewhere. Let me put the net profit here. 51,000. I put the net profit here. So this is the manager's commission. 10 upon 100 is very simple. Out of the net profit, whatever net profit you have calculated, that net profit you put 10 upon 100. If it is before charging. So this net profit 51,000, it was correct net profit, but if there's manager's commission, this should not remain ultimately correct. How? Because you calculate here what will be, it will be 10 upon 110, 5,100. It will be 5,100, correct? It will be 5,100. I put here. Now this net profit was 51,000. This cannot be now 51,000. So it came 51,000 without giving the manager's commission. It came 51,000 without giving the manager's commission. So you have given manager's commission. Now this will change. How much it will be? It will be 51,000 minus 5,100. 51,000 is the apparent gross net profit. You should calculate in the working. 51,000. Now find 51,000 minus 5,100. Let us see what it comes. Anybody can tell me? Anybody can tell me?
Sir, 45,900.
Okay, 51,000 minus 5,100. Sir, pore kori class. 45,900. Got it? Dear student, please someone may talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, this is your net profit correctly. Now only because manager's commission was there and manager's commission was 10% before charging. Okay, let me write here for yours. It will be recorded only. If I write here at the rate of 10, what is percentage? 10% before charging. So if it is given 10% before charging, then it will be 10 upon 110 and this 51,000. Now you can tell me this is 51,000 again 45,000. What is the case? Actually 51,000 you have calculated net profit in working, you can calculate without considering commission. So this 51,000 is net profit, but you can say this is apparent net profit, not absolute net profit, not correct net profit. If commission is not there, then 51,000 will be net profit. Now 51,000 you calculated working, 51,000 10 upon 100 and 5,100 is the net commission, and ultimately by deducting it is 45,900. This is the actual net profit. So did you get it? If it is before charging, did you get up to this? Tell me, where did you get 51,000 and how did you get 45,900? Tell me if you don't understand. I have roughly calculated net profit without considering manager's commission, because manager's commission is not given in the question. I have just written it. See, if this type of question is there, before net profit, you write your manager's commission, this much keeping the space. You write your manager's commission, write your net profit. Then roughly you calculate net profit in working, this side minus this side, and it came 51,000. That 51,000 is not the correct net profit because commission is yet to be calculated. So 51,000 into 10 upon 100 because it is before charging. Since it is before charging, I have put it 10 upon 100. Have you understood, everybody? This much is very simple, right? One person may tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how ultimately net profit came? 45,900. This will go to PL appropriation. This 45,900 will go to PL appropriation account. Now, if the question is 10% before charging, then 10 upon 100. But if it is 10% after charging, then what will happen? Let me, you just remember it came 40 plus, you write somewhere, you'll find the difference 45,900. Just roughly you write with pen and pencil, and let me cut this also, let me cut this also, and let me put it after charging. After. FTER. I put it 10% after charging. If it is 10% after charging, and whenever, see, I have written 10%, it may be any percentage. But if it is after charging, then please remember, it will be 10 upon 110. It will be 10 upon 110. Please remember this, 10 upon 110. If it is after charging. See, I have made it bold for you. I have colored it also. 10 upon 110. This will be the formula. Now, why and what is the logic? I'll come to that. But before that, you calculate it. 10 upon 110 into apparent net profit. This 51,000 is the apparent net profit. What is it? Right side minus left side. In working, you have found 51,000. So this 51,000 is not the correct net profit. Same explanation. But for calculation of commission, you write it 10 upon 110. So if it is 10 upon 110, please find out how much it will come. Anybody can tell me? 51,000. 51, are you doing it? 51,000 divided by 110 into 10. So it is coming 4636. Are you getting it? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 4636. So this becomes the net profit here. This becomes the commission. Sorry, commission. Earlier it was 5,100. Now it is 10 upon 110. So it's this figure is coming. And the net profit, correct net profit will be again, it will be 51,000. 51,000, you write, minus 51,000 minus 4636. 4636. It is coming 46364. 46364. Got it? Have you got this figure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And see the difference. And you can also see the difference. See, and if you total 4636 and 46364, if you total, it will become how much? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how much it will be?
Sir, 51,000.
Exactly.
51,000.
Yes, exactly. It has to be. So commission and net profit is equal to total commission. That total commission. See, 51,000 is the apparent net profit, not actual net profit. And apparent net profit, you have to take commission 10% after charging. After charging such commission, it's written like this. Manager's commission is 10% after charging such commission. They write this way. So whenever it is after charging, you write 10 upon 110 and that 51,000 apparent net profit. Now I can show you, I can make some experiment here. That means, can you tell me what is the profit after commission? Here, 46,364. This is the profit after charging commission. Now, if you calculate, you take somewhere, may I put this side for explanation only? Can I put it this side for you for explanation only? 46 and 364. So this is the profit. Please watch it. This is the profit after charging commission. This is the final net profit. And your question was 10% of net profit after charging such commission. Now put here 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100. You shall find, how much you shall find? You can check it, how much you shall find. This is experimentation. You need not do it in exam. I'm just experimenting. So it will become, see how much? It will become how much? Can you find it? 46364 divided by 100 into 10. 4636 point something. Forget about point something. So 4636. It is coming 4636. 4636. It is coming this. Now see this figure. Now see this figure. This is only experimentation. Now, they told you that commission should be 10% of the net profit after charging such commission. So 46,364 is the net profit after charging commission, and 10% of that is coming 4636. But 51,000, this figure is the net profit which is calculated without considering commission. So 51,000 includes the commission, and if commission is 100, then net profit is, sorry, commission, if net profit is 100, the commission is 10. The net profit plus commission is 110. So on 51,000 you have applied 10 upon 110. After this, if you keep on asking me question and I explain, then it will be more clear to you. But from my side, I'm explaining. See, you remember what I have done earlier? I did 51,000 into 100 by 10. It was very simple before charging. Now this 51,000 is the net profit, which is including the commission. Right? Means before charging commission, 51,000. So if it is before charging, you put 10 upon 100 here. But if it is after charging, then you take this way, 51,000 into 10 upon 110. Only then you shall get this net profit, and 51,000 minus this net profit, you are getting 46,364. You take straight away like this 10% of 46,364, it is coming 4636. This figure is coming. So ultimately, you are getting the correct figure this way. Now, if you ask me question, I can reply. But one thing you have to remember, if it is before charging, you write 10 upon 100. If it is after charging, you write 10 upon 110. If it is 5, 5 upon 105, 2, 2 upon 102. Only then mathematically, this will be all right. See, I have proved it. This is all right. This is the commission after, this is the net profit after charging commission, 46,364. And 10% of that is straight away 4636. This you need not show, but people will understand by looking at this PL account that after charging commission, your net profit is 46,000, this one, and 10% of that. So 10% upon 10 upon 100 you apply here, you get it. But the problem is that when you started the question calculation, you did not have this commission and you did not have this net profit. But without the commission, your net profit you calculated roughly, it was 51,000. This will be constant here. And that 51,000 is including the commission. You see this commission and this net profit you total, it will be 51,000. And in the earlier process, what I did, that is also totaling 51,000. Don't scratch this way. Someone is scratching. This is very bad. Someone is experimenting by giving scratching. It is very bad. Please don't do it. Someone is doing, some student is doing this. Don't do this experiment. So now tell me, give me your answer. Give me a question, your doubts. Please ask me, Shahil, and anyone.
Sir, where will be the another entry?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am concentrating on calculation only. And another entry will be, see, manager's commission you have to provide for. So this is a liability. This will go to liability side. Because you are providing manager's commission, provision for manager's commission. This is not paid. You are providing that this much will be paid. So this is the calculation, and there are two types of calculation. One is 10 upon 100, one is 10 upon 110. So when what is applicable, that point should be clear to you. And I have experimented here. See, if it is after charging, then I have again shown you that 46,364 is the net profit after charging, and you apply 10% there, you are getting same net profit. You are getting same net profit. And if you add net profit and commission, then you'll be getting same 51,000. Now 10 upon 110 into 51,000 is 4636, and 10 upon 100 into 46,364 is also 4636. Have you seen that? 10 upon 110 into 51,000 is coming 4636. Then after deducting, you are getting 46,364. And you apply 10 upon 100 on 46,364, you are again getting 4636. Same you are getting. This is an experiment. Have you understood the calculation?
Yes, sir.
So please practice these things at your home also. But who has given this scratch? Can you tell me who is giving these scratches? This is very bad. You have given these scratches. See, this is getting so much of trouble for me. Why have you given this? I cannot do. So suppose, again I am giving one example. Suppose your profit apparently is 11,000. This will give you better example. I'm showing the same calculation. What? Suppose your net profit is this much, and 10%, suppose before charging. I'm just repeating the same thing. So it will be, commission will be, I didn't like whoever does it. I felt very bad. You have done this sketching. Really, I'm very sorry for you. Commission equal to 11,000 into, can you tell me 10 upon what? I'm testing. 10 upon what?
100.
100.
Yes.
100.
Correct. If it is before charging, it will be straight to 100. So you shall get it. How much it will be? 1100. This is the net profit. This is the commission. And final net profit will be? Final net profit will be how much? Can you tell me? This will be very good experimentation. Net profit will be 11,000 minus 1100. So how much is coming? This will be the final net profit.
9,900.
I'm taking it a bit specially because some people get confused here. So this is the thing. But if it is after charging, see how can I do it now? If it is, again let us take net profit 11,000 and 10%. Let me go a bit below. See, it is not helping me. You people never do these things with me, but today you have done this thing. Okay. So 10%, suppose 10%, concentrate, after sorry to code guzi gole board disturb hoise to after charging. If it is like this, see earlier it was 10 upon 100, but now it will be commission will be 11,000 into 10 upon, tell me what?
110.
Yes. So commission is coming how much? 1,000?
1,000.
Yes. And here we wrote net profit. So net profit will come final net profit. Ultimate net profit will become, you
10,000.
write it, 11,000 minus this one. So how much? 10,000. So this is some experimentation. You just see these two questions, two options. One is 10% before charging, and net profit was apparent net profit. I mean, not correct net profit, 11,000. Now, what is 11,000? 11,000 includes the commission, and it is given 10% before charging. So straightway 11,000 to 10 upon 100, you are getting 1100, and ultimate net profit you are getting 9,900. Then here same I have given 11,000 is the apparent net profit and 10% commission after charging. So commission will be 11,000 to 10 upon 110 as you have said, and it is coming, oh it should be 10, I forgot the 0 here. Okay, so 10 upon 110 is coming 1,000. So 11,000 minus 1,000 is 10,000. This is the ultimate net profit. Now, interestingly, this ultimate net profit 10,000 and commission 1,000, total coming 11,000. And above also you see ultimate net profit 9,900 and commission 1,100. You total it, it will be coming 11,000. So you can see there's a lot of difference between 10% after charging and before charging. Only 10% net profit is not sufficient. If it is not mentioned in the question, then you can do whatever you like and give a note. It is assumed net profit, it is assumed that commission is 10% of net profit before charging. It will be easy for you, 10 upon 100. So, but you have to give a note. But simply 10% of net profit is commission does not carry much sense. It should be clarified what is before charging or after charging. If it is before charging, 10 upon 100 and go on doing it. I have experimented, but you need not go for some experimentation. You do experimentation at home, but in exam, you just do it. But if it is 10% before charging, sorry, after charging, it will be 10 upon 110. And this way figures are changing and a lot of variations are giving in the figure. So after charging, before charging, these concepts are very, very important. If you ask me a question, I'm ready to answer, ready to clarify your doubts. And in the PL account, how to write? Again, I'm repeating, you write to manager's commission and give it gap, and then write to net profit transfer to PL Pro. If it is also gap, then in working, you find the net profit, and that net profit, if it is after charging, you put here 10 upon 110. If it is before charging, you put here 10 upon 100. So some net profit will be coming, and the apparent net profit 51,000 did in the working. From that, you minus this, you'll be getting it. So this is the thing. Just the mechanism is here, after charging and before charging. So have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
I have taken extra time for this only so that it becomes very much clear to all of you. So that's why I've taken it. And next, I'll take some other chapter. I'll go to company again. And company balance sheet, you are writing and learning that. Company balance sheet, I've given you format and explanation. Are you doing that? Divash?
Yes, sir.
So have you written the format of company balance sheet?
Sir, actually, sir, I did not understand, sir, clearly, sir, till now. So, sir, I'm waiting for you for the next class.
Actually, I have taken only one class, and then
Yeah.
one class was missing. Then next day I'll be taking company balance sheet once again. Okay, and you can ask me your doubts also. Anybody can ask me a doubt. Sometimes you can send me the doubt in personal WhatsApp, and that way those doubts I'll be taking up in the class with special emphasis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I think this
Okay,
is
sir.
clear because this was a point for many people. This is clear now, Gargi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Oh, sound was a problem. Sound poor. Okay. Now you understood this. I hope you understood. So how much time is left? 3 minutes something is left. Okay, let me show you one thing. I want to check it. If it is your scratches is also there or not, your scratching is gone. So this is again come. You can ask me question after charging, before charging. Now your sketching I have removed this way. You can ask me after charging, before charging. So let us put this together so that you can compare. And even if there is slightest of doubt, you can ask me. So this I have put here in a combined page, single page. And let me remove these spaces so you can compare these two calculations, because many students don't understand these things and they commit mistakes. So that's why I've taken one complete session for after charging, before charging. And next I'm going back to company again. So you see, looking at this, if any question comes to your mind, you can ask me. Looking at this, if any question comes to your mind, you can ask me. Hope it is all right. After charging, before charging, all right. Gargi?
Yes, sir. Clear है.
So today I stop the class. Okay. Next day I'll take up company. But in any chapter, if you have any doubt, you can send me in the personal WhatsApp. Okay. Nobody's talking to me nicely today. We are having less time now, not much time. So will you ask me any question now? Is it okay for today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I am very soon I am taking back one more class, next class. So till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay blessed.